Do you get stuck with hard-to-repair cars? Outsourcing repairs costs a fortune and wastes lots of time. Sending vehicles off-site for repair is expensive and time-consuming, and your car owners will easily turn to other shops. The SmartLink C connector is pre-installed on your X431 device, no extra hardware to buy. Complete all vehicle repairs online without sending cars out. Keep your customers and raise your shop's profit. Launch SmartLink C remote service comes with your X431 scanner for free. No extra hardware purchase needed. It solves your 3 biggest troubles all at once. No more price worries, no more waiting around, no more technical barriers. Step 1. Open the official Smart Remote website. Register and log in as a common user. After logging in, open Management on the left menu and select Activate Device. Enter your device serial number and activation code. Select Pay-per-use billing type. Click OK, then Skip. If you lose your code, call our Malaysia branch hotline. Open My Post on the left. Pick Official Service Provider Launch MAS. Then tap SmartLink Remote Diagnosis. Complete vehicle information, contact number, and photo description. Upload relevant pictures, check the agreement box, and submit your order. After submitting, our certified technicians will reach out to you shortly. Please check your phone and platform messages. If you have any questions about operation, feel free to call our Malaysia branch hotline for support. Remember, SmartLink C is built into your X431 scanner. No extra hardware cost at all. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to follow Launch. I'm Diana. See you guys next time. Bye bye.